Right, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Matic video update. Matic is one of the biggest altcoin that gives hint to what the market is about to do next. If you see Matic losing support, understand the market is in a bad situation, because rarely do we see Matic going down and all other coins start to move to the upside. So if you need a very quick indicator, Matic is probably one of the best indicator, and I'm talking about it based on experience, based on me being here for 5 to 6 years and looking at what Matic has been doing. I've been looking at Matic since Matic was born on Binance, right? It came in as a launch pad, and then from there it actually continued to rise all the way to 2 point something dollars, and I think it's one gem of a coin. It's still an amazing coin, but at least for now you have a distribution phase. Okay, this is where the institutional traders were selling, and they have created this bearish pattern with basically the support line being here, and you finally lost the support line. But keep one thing in mind, Matic hasn't properly retested yet. Okay, we may see just a very small push all the way up to 0.7686 and then finally drop down. So you have an opportunity, and you may be looking at this opportunity being very nice one, and that's going to be almost a drop of 29%. And that's all for this very quick update on Matic. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.